Namaste everyone, I'm your co-host Shawnee ma'am. Welcome to your favorite learning channel. The topic for today's video is fish farming part 2. So in our previous video, that is in fish farming part 1, we had covered about the introduction of fish farming and we had also discussed about various types of fisheries. So in continuation with our first part of the video, in today's section we would be covering what is aquaculture and pisciculture, and then we would be seeing the differences between various types of fisheries or various types of fish farming. Okay, so first we would begin with the term called aquaculture. Okay, so let's see what is aquaculture first. So aquaculture is the culturing of, it is the culturing of what? It is the culturing of valuable flora and fauna like the mollusks, okay, then algae, then okay, then crustaceans, various crustaceans, etc. Okay, so this form of culturing of valuable flora and fauna is called aquaculture. Okay, so they are cultured and maintained under the controlled conditions for their growth, and then they are harvested with proper safety measures. Okay, so this is aquaculture. Now what is pisciculture then? Okay, so next is pisciculture. So what is pisciculture? This pisciculture actually falls under aquaculture. So aquaculture is a broad term under which pisciculture is one of the parts of the aquaculture. Okay, so pisciculture is mainly involved in, so it is the culturing of, it involves the culturing of what? Fishes. Okay, fishes, that is various varieties of fishes are cultured in large tanks, ponds, etc., so as to obtain fish-based commercial products. Okay, such as fishes are also used as a food source, so as to obtain fish-based commercial products, here various varieties of fishes are cultured in places like in large tanks, ponds, etc. So this culturing of fishes or rearing of fishes is called pisciculture, and this pisciculture is a part of this broad term called aquaculture. Okay, so now we have cleared what is aquaculture and pisciculture. Now let's see the differences between various types of fish farming. Okay, So now we would be discussing about the differences between various types of fish farming or the techniques of fish farming. Okay. So first we would be discussing about, we would take different types of fish farming techniques. One is the capture fishery, then there is culture fishery, then we would also see the difference between the inland fisheries, then the composite fishing or composite fishery, and then the integrated fish farming. So we would be differentiating between these types of fish farming techniques. Okay. Now what is capture fishery? What happens here is, here the fish is caught from, what happens here? Fish is caught from where? It is caught from, fish is caught from natural, the natural waters. Okay, this is called capture fishery. Here what is happening? Here the fish is being caught from the natural waters. So there are several modern techniques that are used to capture and store fish before they are marketed. Okay, so this is capture fishery. Now what is culture fishing or culture fishery? Here what happens is, it is a method of cultivating, rearing and harvesting fish. It is a method of what? Of cultivating, rearing, then what is done? Cultivating, rearing and harvesting of what? Harvesting of fishes. Okay, so this is called culture fishery, and this form of fish farming is called as pisciculture or fish farming. Okay, then we would discuss about the inland fishery. So this refers to the conservation and utilization. It refers to the conservation and utilization. Conservation and utilization of what? Conservation and utilization of fish in inland water bodies, and these inland water bodies would be ponds, flooded plains, wetlands, rivers, canals, etc. Okay, so where the fishes are conserved and utilized in inland water bodies, such type of fish farming is called inland fishery or inland fish farming. Then let's see what is composite fishery. So this involves the culture of several species of fish. It involves, what does it involve? It involves the culture of several species of fishes, okay, at the same time, and this is done at the same time. Okay, so here the care is taken that all the fishes do not compete with one another for food and shelter. Okay, so here in composite fish farming, what is done? Here several species of fishes are cultured at the same time, but a proper care is taken so that these different species of fishes do not compete with one another for food and shelter. Okay, So next we would talk about the integrated fish farming technique. So integrated fish culture or integrated fish farming is culturing of fish with some agricultural crops. So it includes culturing of fishes with some agricultural crops, and these agricultural crops could be paddy, coconut, etc., so that they give a higher yield, and this type of farming is done so as to obtain a higher yield. Okay, so now let's quickly revise everything that we have covered today. So first we discussed about aquaculture. So now we know that aquaculture is the culturing of valuable flora and fauna like the mollusks, algae, crustaceans, etc. Okay, so this aquaculture is a broader term which includes the term pisciculture. So pisciculture is actually the culturing or rearing of various varieties of fishes in large tanks, ponds, etc., so as to obtain fish-based commercial products. Okay, so pisciculture is the technique that is a part of aquaculture. Alright, then we also discussed about the differences between various types of fish farming techniques. So different types of fish farming techniques that we considered were capture fishery, culture fishery, inland fishery, composite fishery, and integrated fish farming. So what is capture fishery? Here what happens here, the fish is caught from natural water. So this type of fishery is called capture fishery. Then in culture fishery what happens? In this type of fishery or the fish farming technique, what happens is it is a method where culturing, rearing and harvesting is done of fishes, and this is called pisciculture or fish farming. Now what is inland fishery? So inland fishery is a type of fish farming technique that involves the conservation and utilization of fishes in inland water bodies. Okay, so these inland water bodies could be ponds, flooded plains, wetlands, rivers, canals, etc. Then we discussed about composite fishery. So here what happens? Here we culture several species of fishes at the same time. Okay, but here a proper care is taken so that these different species of fishes do not compete with each other for food and shelter. Okay, then in integrated fish farming what happens is it involves the culturing of fishes along with some agricultural crops, and these agricultural crops could be paddy, coconut, etc., so as to obtain a higher yield. Okay, so these are the differences in the culturing technique of fishes. All these techniques are done for fish farming, but the techniques that are used, the way the fishes are cultured here in each of the different techniques, it differs from one another, and we have discussed how these culturing techniques are different from one another. Okay, so I hope you all would have got some great insights by watching today's video. Please do not forget to like and share the video. Till then, thank you for watching.